Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are doing well. If you are new here, my name is Jessica. I am 26 years old. I work full-time in the medical field and my main goal right now is to save as much money as I can as well as pay off my car. If that interests you, I would love for you guys to stick around. I do budgeting videos here on my channel all the time. And yeah, it's a really good time over here. But for today's video, I'm going to be stuffing my third and final paycheck of January, and I am so excited to get into it. So if you guys are interested, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so if you guys haven't seen my previous video, it is how I budgeted this paycheck. So I won't go into details about everything that's here. I got my bills, I got my cash envelopes, I got my sinking funds, and I got the cash envelope breakdown here and all of my denominations and whatnot. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the stuffing. Go ahead and go to the bank. So we will be stuffing $1,070 today, which is super exciting. Got a wandering quarter over here. So that's all I have in my wallet. This is my little cash slip that I use when I go to the bank. It just makes it easier for the teller to know what I need from the bank. And yeah, so here's that for you guys. I picked this up from Kaylee Budgets. I will have it linked down below for you guys. I will have everything that I'm talking about linked down below as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the cash stuffing. So groceries has some money left over. Groceries has 5, 10, 15. So we're just going to put that to the side. Fun doesn't have anything. Gas has some money left over. Gas has 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm also going to go ahead and put that to the side as well. And let's get into stuffing these envelopes. So for groceries is going to get $200. Let me see. I don't know why it's focusing on that and not here. Focus over here. Perfect. Okay, so groceries is going to get $200. There's going to be 6 20s. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 4 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that should be 200. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95. Wait, I'm confused. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So I took an extra 5. So this is all going into groceries. And I will have these envelopes linked down below as well. I love them. They're like the perfect size. So groceries is going to go over there. Okay, so moving on, now we have personal / fun, which is going to get 100, which is going to be 2 20s, 3 20s, I'm sorry, 2 10s, and then 4 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then so 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Perfect. That goes in here. Gas is going to get 40, which is going to be 2 $20 bills. And that goes in to gas. Perfect. So these envelopes here are going to go back into my wallet. And that's that. Okay, so moving on to my cash envelope, my sinking funds. I keep them in this Done fireproof, waterproof case. It just makes me feel a little bit more secure that all of my envelopes are safe and sound, because I got some cash money in there, you know? So let me go ahead and take these out. And we can get started with the stuffing. So first off here is Vet, and Vet is going to get $25. So I'll update the trackers later. So Vet is going to get a 20 and a 5. So Vet should have 45, 20, 40, $5. This one too. Put that in there and close that up. Groomers is going to get 40, which is going to be 2 20s. Groomers should have 40, 20, 40. So Groomers should have 80 now. 20, 40, 60, 80. Perfect. Car is going to get 100. We still have some left over in car. Car should have 184. So this will make it 284. So now we have 100, 200, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 82, 84. So 284 is perfect. Amazing. Car insurance is going to get 40, which is going to be 2 $20 bills. And car insurance currently has $100. Oh my gosh, how exciting. So car insurance is going to get 40. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 35, 40. So now car insurance has 140, which is great. Savings challenge is not getting anything this paycheck. Taxes is getting 5, which is just going to be a $5 bill. And taxes currently has 27. So we're going to be adding 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. That's amazing. Medical is going to get 15, which is going to be a 10 and a 5. So medical has $40 in it, and we're going to take that out. So we're going to add a 10 and then a 5, so we should have 55, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 in medical. Car maintenance is going to get $40, and it has 35. So we're going to add it to 40. So 20, 40, 60, 75. So that's amazing. And okay, so that's it for my sinking funds number 2. Now we're going to move on to my other sinking funds. So savings is getting 300, which is these last $300 bills. So savings, I actually had to take a little bit out of savings just for something important. So savings now is going to have 903, I believe. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 550, 600. So that's 600. 20, 40, 60, 80, 700. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 800, $803. So I was off by 100, but listen, $803 is still an awesome amount to have. This isn't my only savings, by the way. I do have another savings that gets automatically deducted from my paycheck. So, yes. Amazon is going to get $10. So we're going to take this out of here. Amazon has 24 and it's going to get 10. So that is going to be 34, 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. Like I said, once I pay my Amazon, this is going to go back into one of my other sinking funds that only gets paid once a month. Roger is going to get his $5. I actually have to get him some food. Roger has $40. This will bring him up to 45. So 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I actually just bought him some little booties for the snow because we're supposed to get like a really bad snowstorm here in New York. So I want to get that for him. Emergency fund is going to get 25. So that's going to be a 20 and a 5. And emergency currently has 136 in it. So a 20 and a 5. So now emergency fund has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61. Amazing. Christmas is going to get $40. I was wondering why I still had so much money left over. Christmas currently has 40. And we're going to add 40 to make it a cheeky 80. So 20, 40. So 20, 40, 60, 80 in Christmas, which is great. $52 weeks is going to get the last money here. So it's going to be 50, 70, 85. So 52 weeks is going to get that, which I'm super excited about. There we go. And then rollover is going to get the money from here, which is 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And then in our rollover envelope, we now have, let's see, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 dollars. That's amazing. So yeah, guys, that is it for this cash stuffing video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I would love to have you guys on this journey with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go, and I will talk to you in my next video very soon. Bye.